Welcome to lesson 5 where we'll run our sample Appium script locally and watch it connected to Kobiton's real device cloud. My IDE has all the desired capabilities and credentials we set up in the previous lesson. To start the test, I'll simply click on the Run button in the UI. As soon as I hit Run, the script starts communicating with Kobiton. You will notice the console logging each step like starting Appium session. This is real device cloud integration in action. This is exciting because even though the test runs locally, Kobiton executes it on the real device in the data center. The console outputs provide real-time updates on each action, like tapping a button or entering a text as it happens. Once the test completes, the console should indicate a pass or a fail. If everything went smoothly, you will see a success message. If there is an issue, you'll spot an error or exception right there in the logs. And that's it for lesson 5. You have just run your very first local to cloud on Kobiton. Next, we'll learn how to verify the session in the Kobiton dashboard where you can access detailed logs, screenshots and more. Stay tuned.